Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you exactly how to connect MetaMask with SushiSwap so that you can start to use the SushiSwap platform and effectively trade cryptocurrencies and take advantage of a host of other cool features that SushiSwap has to offer, which we have detailed tutorials about here on the channel. Now, depending on where you're at in the process, whether you have a MetaMask account, whether you already have some Ethereum, you can skip around using the timestamps in the description below. But without further ado, let's hop right on into the video. Now, just to get a little bit of terminology out of the way, SushiSwap is what is known as a decentralized exchange, or DEX. This basically means that it allows you to swap cryptocurrencies without having to go through a centralized exchange. Okay, you're swapping cryptocurrencies, but instead of with a centralized exchange, you're swapping with other folks that are also using that exchange and adding liquidity to the exchange to facilitate transactions. Now, you don't need to know too much else about SushiSwap in order to start using it. Just know that it is an exchange and MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so you're storing your cryptocurrency within MetaMask, and then you're using SushiSwap to swap cryptocurrency assets. So to get started, the first thing you're going to need to do is set up a MetaMask wallet. So you can find a link in the description below to sign up for MetaMask, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now from here, you're going to click download now. You're going to choose whether you want to download the Chrome extension, the iOS app, or the Android app. In this case, we're going to use the Chrome extension. We're going to press install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to take you to the Chrome web store. As you can see, I've already got it installed, but if you didn't, it would say add to Chrome instead of remove from Chrome. You click that button and then follow the step-by-step process to sign up for MetaMask and get your account up and running. Now that you've got MetaMask all set up, you can head over to sushi.com. That's going to take you to SushiSwap and a page that looks something like this. From here, you'll press enter app, and it'll take you to app.sushi.com. So at this point, we want to connect our MetaMask wallet. How we're going to do that is press connect to a wallet. We're going to choose MetaMask from the list here right at the top. It's going to bring up this little window saying connect with MetaMask and our account. We'll press next. We'll press connect. And then boom, it will connect our wallet to MetaMask. Now you can see that when I connected, it actually brought up the BSC or Binance Smart Chain. If that happens for you, what you're going to want to do is just click on that, click on Ethereum, and then it'll prompt you to switch your network over to Ethereum. And that is kind of what you're going to want in general on SushiSwap. So now you're ready to start swapping tokens on SushiSwap, but there is a problem. Likely on your screen, it's going to show 0 Ethereum right here, and you're going to need some Ethereum in order to facilitate transactions on SushiSwap. So now I'm going to walk through the process of acquiring some Ethereum and getting it into your MetaMask wallet so that you can effectively use the SushiSwap platform. Now there's a number of ways you can do this. You can actually buy Ethereum directly through MetaMask. If you go into MetaMask here and then press buy, it'll give you a couple options for ways to buy Ethereum directly through MetaMask. However, these options tend to have some fairly steep fees. As you can see, this is about $15 worth of fees just for buying $100 worth of Ethereum. So I generally prefer to use other options. My personal choice is going to be linked in the description below, and it is called Gemini. Now, Gemini is one of the most well-known kind of cryptocurrency centralized exchanges out there. Okay, centralized exchange versus decentralized exchange. Gemini is a centralized exchange that's going to allow you to use US dollars or whatever your local currency is and buy Ethereum. Then we can transfer that Ethereum very easily from Gemini over to MetaMask. We're going to pay lower fees, and you'll actually get $10 of free Bitcoin just for signing up for Gemini if you make your first transaction of at least $100. So if you're planning on using at least $100 worth of Ethereum, you're getting $10 worth of free Bitcoin out of it. So a pretty solid day for you. So head down to the description below, click on that Gemini link, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. It's going to take you to this page that mentions that $10 free offer that I mentioned earlier. You're going to press get started. It's going to take you to this sign up page where you can go through, fill in your information, and get all signed up. Once you go through that process, I'll meet you back when I'm all signed in to my account so that I can show you how to acquire some Ethereum and then transfer it to MetaMask. Okay, so here we are signed in to my Gemini account. Yours will likely look the same, except total balance will say 0. What you're going to want to do from here is acquire some Ethereum. So press on market. You'll find Ether right here. Click on that. Buy, how often, once, how much, we'll just say $100. You'll press continue. You'll have to add a bank account or debit card. Bank account's gonna have lower fees. Debit card might be a little bit faster, but usually bank account is pretty quick as well. So you can just press add bank or debit card, add one of those. I'll just select my bank here. You'll see there's a slight fee. Okay, so $3 compared to about $15, so not too bad at all. You'll press confirm, and then from there, that Ethereum will be purchased and your bank account will be charged. Now at this point, if you head back on over to the home screen on Gemini, you go back to view portfolio. you will see your Ethereum show up right here. As you can see, I've only got Bitcoin and Dogecoin in my Gemini account, but once you buy that Ethereum, it'll show up right here. Now, the next step is to transfer that into MetaMask. How you do that is very, very simple. You'll press on transfer. You'll say withdraw from Gemini because we want to withdraw our Ether from Gemini. It'll take you to this page where we'll select our currency. You'll say Ethereum. We don't have any Ethereum, so I'll just use Bitcoin for this example to show you how it'll kind of work. We'll press continue. For destination, you'll go up into MetaMask here, and you'll just copy to clipboard your account address. You will paste that right in there. As you can see, it's not a valid Bitcoin address because this is an Ethereum address, so it won't show that message when you actually use Ethereum, but then you'll press continue. For the amount, you'll just enter the amount of Ethereum that you have purchased in your Gemini account. So you can just press max and it'll automatically fill that for you. You'll press continue. And then you'll just press request withdrawal, and then it will send your Ethereum from Gemini over to MetaMask. Now, this will take a couple of minutes, so you might have to be a little bit patient here. But then once you click on your MetaMask plugin up here, you'll be able to see your Ethereum right here in your MetaMask account. At the same time, when you head back to SushiSwap, you'll be able to see that Ethereum reflected right here, and you'll be able to start swapping from Ethereum to other different coins. So let's say you wanted to buy some Sushi tokens. We'll just click on Sushi here. Say we want to swap 1 Ethereum, we'd get about 479 Sushi tokens. And if we were to go ahead and do this transaction, we would then have these Sushi tokens within our MetaMask wallet, okay? Because the MetaMask is your wallet, and then SushiSwap is just the swapping platform or decentralized exchange where you can swap your assets between one another. Now, if you were to buy some sushi and then come up here to your MetaMask, you might notice that your sushi would not display here. So what you need to do is add sushi to MetaMask, okay? Because MetaMask doesn't automatically know what sushi token is. So the easy way to do that is just click on this little sushi icon up here, and then MetaMask will come up. It'll say add sushi to your MetaMask wallet. It'll show you how much sushi you have if you already have some. You'll press add token. And then when we come back up to MetaMask, you can see, boom, we've got some Ethereum and we've got some sushi. So very easy process to add different tokens to your MetaMask wallet if you do buy them through SushiSwap. Now, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other SushiSwap tutorials as well if you want more information on how this platform works and all the different things that you can do with it, because there's actually a lot going on with SushiSwap, and once you have your MetaMask connected with your SushiSwap, your world is open for opportunities. So make sure to check those videos out, and I'll see you in the next one.